Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix HyperX Cloud to mic not working. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content. And watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. If your HyperX Cloud to mic not working, then these are the people's opinion and solution regarding this. First, make sure the microphone is properly plugged into the headset with the microphone plugging. Check to see if there is even a tiny gap in between the microphone jack and the microphone port on the ear cup. Give the microphone jack a push until it click into place and sit flush with the ear cup. Also, have you checked the privacy settings on your main system to make sure microphone access is allowed? Press Win plus I on your keyboard, then go to Privacy. Then select Microphone on the sidebar. Then set microphone access for this device to on and allow apps access to your microphone to on as well. That's it. This is the solution of your problem. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.